On the way to practice for Bukhara.
Si Carla dito na.
I'm here! Nagkatits ako. Miss the outfit. It's so boring. Because I don't have a...
Pwede pong magdala dito ng program.
Pinakamaraming basura na pulot. O, di ba? Ayan. Okay? Yung phone po ulit. Pwede pakikaya sa natin. Otherwise, para mawala sa sinatin. No? Okay, sige.
We're on the way home, guys. Because it's raining so hard. Look at the people, the students. BU Olympics is next week, guys. That's why we are practicing for the hataw. Hey guys, I love my makeup actually. I put a blush. But yeah, I have to go to school. My university to attend my class. My morning class because I have a BU hataw. We have a BU hataw later at afternoon 2 onwards. So yeah. See you guys later. And my presents in the first morning class done. Morning class. Morning class done. To have some rest because we have a hataw later 2 p.m. onwards. Guys, it's BU Hataw week. I'm going to the university to dance. Update you later, guys. I've arrived. There's so many people, guys. It's our BU Hataw Day. Yeah, it's our BU Hataw Day. They're buying cup. Bibilisan na kami ng pagkain kaso ang daming pila. So we are going to another food hall to buy some snacks. Guys, I fixed my makeup. I put a blush. Sorry na.
Nagpalag ka din sa diba?
So many people.
Support din ang
What are we doing? We are on the way to buy food. Guys, another spot. So many pila.
Mountain Dew na lang, boy.
Ha?
Mountain Dew.
Sige, go. We're going to buy Mountain Dew. That. Thank you.
Baka napansin.
Please, I get my drinks. Wala upuan. Ayun, may upuan.
Sarap na.
Guys, I get this. How was it? It's good?
Vice President for Planning and Development, Vice President for Research Development Extension, Dr.
And of course, together with them we have Dr. Angel Agustin Valenzuela, the Education Advisor and the Future Education of the ASEAN Secretariat in Japan. And of course, so today we have our very own guest, Dr. Angel Agustin Valenzuela. Welcome to Bicol University, and thank you very much for spending time here in the field and mixed program. Thank you very much for being with us. And we were committed.
Good luck with your...
So as the Bicol University flag is being raised, may we all stand in reverence and pride, embodying the spirit of driven for humanity, inspiring hope.
Ines and volleyball.
The hoisting of the Bicol flag will be led by, of course, our
nearby regions in Metro Manila. Extended the BU Graduate School represents advanced education. Graduate School joins on Sport Sports BU Olympics 2025. Magandang gabi po. Strong delegation from the home of future lawyers.
Kulong na yan mga kurako. Kulong na yan mga kurako.
Our participation in 2025 BU Olympics. Inside the classroom and the courtroom, and also in the
guys, I'm on the way to the church, apartment, to celebrate the birthday of my sister in Christ, Yeshu, the person na palay kong kasama. So yeah, this is the fit. Let's use the same. And I love my makeup look. I'm starting to put blush on my face. supposed to be its your birthday girl, but wala nang iba. Boy. Kagebenshin no jutsu.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kasi yung emotion natin,
and they're here for it overnight.
May indication siya sa atin. Kaya hindi din maganda na i-invalidate natin or something. Pero ano po ate,
What's your message?
ano ko lang, pero may
Your birthday.
What are you thankful for? I'm thankful na po, pero kinoconsider ko pa yung
having a family.
pero awa ka na naman.
Like my true family.
Pero sinabi mo to build siya masyadong
share community, passionate about it.
Pinaintindi ko naman ako sa kanya ng mga
handa mo yan.
Tapos, ano ba siya?
Like,
grade 10 pa.
Handa.
So, naiintindihan mo yung mentality over there.